Hi guys, in the second video series on HTML, I will show you how to create HTML file. Some people use code editors such as Microsoft Visual Studio Code, but you actually need a simple text editor. For example, here on GNOME I use GNOME Text Editor, but there are many others. For example, on KDE there is the Kate Text Editor. On Windows you can use Microsoft Notepad. The most important thing is at the end of the file .html instead of .txt. As I told you before, doc type HTML because we are writing HTML, not JavaScript, not CSS. HTML body because we write inside the body the letters and the words that we want to display inside the web page. Here we use h1, the header. I will tell you another time the different sizes of the various headers. We always need to close what we have opened. We open the body, we close the body, open HTML and close HTML. Then this file double open with the web browser. This is the content of what we wrote shown in the web browser.